Next topic. Okay, ladies, have you heard about this new term called micro-cheating?
Yes.
Okay, now, it's small things that you do that could come off as infidelity without being physically unfaithful. For example, forgetting to mention your partner in conversation, excessive eye contact, hiding your phone. Do you think this is okay, or is this a form of cheating?
I'm gonna let that one. I want to hear Dr. B's perspective on
Well,
this.
I think it's an interesting question because what I hear being asked, does micro cheating add up to macro cheating? Do all of these little things add up to real cheating? And look, here are
The answer is yes.
Here is a survey. Yeah, I mean, just for
Cause and
yourself.
effect. It's the planting of the seed.
Yes.
Yeah, well, so I just want to give you the numbers.
Sure.
In 2016, a survey was done where 50% of people who were surveyed in a committed relationship admitted to having an affair. Now, 40% of married people admitted to having an affair. That's a lot of numbers.
Who admits?
And that's what I'm trying to say.
Is that your takeaway from
That's
this?
what I'm trying to say. These are the people who,
That's his takeaway.
that all these big numbers don't include the people who lied.
Right.
Ah.
I mean, we have a monogamy issue.
Yes, we do.
Among
what are we gonna do about
us.
It? What do we do about it?
I mean, I wonder if everyone's doing this behavior, is it misunderstood? Are we misunderstanding?
Or maybe we're not supposed to be monogamous.
That's another question that
What do
I
you
asked.
think about that?
Everybody just needs to be
Now what?
No. Everybody needs to be honest with themselves. I think that's the problem.
Wait, I want to hear this. What do you think?
Yeah, what's
No,
happening over here?
I think you should be
Monogamous.
loyal to one person.
Yes.
I do. I don't, because here's the deal. Being in a monogamous relationship, it does work. Now, it will happen to every man. Every man will become solely to one woman after he finds her.
Right.
But only until it's her can he be committed to her.
Okay.
You have to be the one. If you're the one, you're the one. The hunt is over.
Okay.
But if you're not the one, the hunt continues.
But I also think that men need to be honest if they're not really ready for that. And
Agree.
I think that's where the problems come into play in relationships, especially leading up to marriage. Obviously, if you're in a committed relationship, some men are not ready to be monogamous.
And they should be man enough to say, hey, I dig you, but I don't want to be in a committed relationship right now. Are you cool? Would you be cool if you saw somebody, I saw somebody, and then whenever we got together, we got together?
And the other problem is,
Could a man say that?
He could, and but at least it gives a woman the option to decide.
That's
if
what
she
I'm
wants
saying.
To say, you know what? Okay, cool.
Okay.
I'm down with that.
Which honestly is a slippery slope because once you allow one situation, men and honestly, men and women will both in that kind of scenario push the envelope. So where do you draw the line then with micro cheating? What is considered micro cheating?
Well, I think if you're hiding your phone, you're hiding something, right? I think if you're talking to other men, like let's say I'm talking to a bunch of men and I don't bring in my man's name in the conversation, that's micro cheating. Anything that you're doing that your spouse will think is wrong, I think is cheating.
That's fair.
I feel like infidelity and the talk about cheating is everywhere. It's the hottest topic. You know why? Because it affects men now. In the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s, it was a given that you would get married and that perhaps your husband might have an affair. And women suffered silently.
Socially accepted.
Now, men are like, what?
Yeah.
What? You're cheating on me?
Right.
That is what's happening.
Equal
And that's why
opportunity.
I'm
Exactly
Equal
right.
opportunity.
That's right.
Equal opportunity.
That's a true statement.